Yeah, good morning, everyone. We saw a bounce back in the US market after a continuous decline for last 4 5 days. That was led by all these small banks which were declining 40, 50, 60%, saw some bounce back. Like Western Alliance, First Republic, PacWest, all have moved up yesterday, but not convincingly. How much was the decline against that? Those stocks opened higher, but thereafter saw some decline during the day. So the overall gain seems for the banks are substantial, like 14, 26, and 33%, but it was not like it has opened high and then continue to move up from there, but it was more of an open high and then they were seeing some declining trend. So can't say that totally out from this problem, may persist for some more time. Let us see how it moves today. That will be a crucial day. CPI saw yesterday. CPI inflation came, and that was more in line with expectations. The month-on-month inflation moved up by around 0.4%, which was expectations, and also year-on-year the inflation moved up by 6%. So these figure doesn't suggest that the RBI will hold up the interest rate increase. The interest rate increase is likely to continue in the uh, likely to continue on the 21-22nd March meeting. Thereafter, Moody has downgraded banking system in the US with negative outlook. They had not reduced the rating, but the outlook has been changed from stable to negative. So that act as a bit concerning for the US market. If suppose there is a downgrade, then the rate increase for the borrower will move up. Uh, the reflection of US market is also visible in the Asian market also. Asian markets are up by around 0.8 to 1% across the board except Nikkei. And whatever the sell-off was there, against that there is some positive trend which is coming in the Asian market as well. Apart from that, the futures of the US market are also marginal positive, and in commodity, oil is seeing consistent decline, and now it is near to 52-week low. Brent crude at around 78.34, which is down by around $1 from yesterday level. So since it is hitting near to 52-week low, it may see some consolidation or bounce back from here for short term. Then other commodities like iron ore was more of up by around 0.5 and steel was more of a flattish. So overall seems like more of a bounce back day for today. So Indian market may also see similar trend in today's trade. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you. So, good morning, all of you. Today is likely to open with a gap up opening, and we might see some positive mood during the day. Sir has rightly pointed out that today might be we have witnessed some pullback rally into the market. Now, going ahead, 17,170 will act as the first resistance level for the Nifty. Any move above that level, further upside can be expected towards 17,240 to 17,320 levels on the higher sides. Whereas on the downside, as of now, the crucial support is placed at 16,940 levels. If it's break that level, then only we can witness more selling pressure on the downside, which might take a Nifty towards 16,870 to 16,800 levels on the downside. The overall view will remain a cautious, but the pullback rally cannot be denied after this four days continuous downfall in the market. Coming towards the bank nifty for today intraday purpose, 39,950, 40,270 are the resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. On the flip side, 39,320, 39,000 are the crucial support levels. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, 17,690, 17,840 are the resistance level on the high side. Whereas on the downside, 17,430, 17,300 are the crucial support. We need to keep eye on it. Stock specific Coal industry really looks good on the technical front because this chart, this particular counter is well placed above the 50 DMA. Even though the market was correcting, it is holding its strength above 1500 levels on the closing basis from the last few trading sessions. We have already initiated a buy call at the current market price itself. One can take those who have missed out this particular counter. One can take a long position at the current market price. Stop loss has been given at 1480, which is just a 20 points from the downside. Where we are looking for a target of 1560 at the higher levels. So one can take a long positions with a stop loss of 1480. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, open interest has increased a lot, from 1.1 odd crores to about 1.5 crores in about 3-4 days of the last 3-4 days. So yes, shorts have built in. Now they should be covered. Now as Nifty moves up, you will see some covering coming in, which can be a good sign. Also, PCR is deep below the oversold zone, so there can be suggesting there can be a good bounce. Also, VIX is just above the 15 levels, around the 16 odd level. So again, yes, it is a thing to worry about, but not moved up very aggressively in this whole fall, except for that one day. So I do believe, this should cool off as well. So all in all, we are expecting a short covering rally today, which can take Nifty up towards that 17,300, 17,400 odd levels. Nifty touched the 17,000 levels yesterday, which is a strong support area with the highest put base around that same area, which also suggests some bounce should come in. So all in all, for today some bounce should come in. One should look at trading on the long side for today, and most of the stocks which witnessed a good amount of selling, especially the banking sector, as I just said, some short covering should come in there as well. A lot of shorts are built in into Axis, ICICI, IndusInd Bank, IDFC, HDFC. So these stocks should move up quite aggressively. Yeah. So that's it from my side. I like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. NBCC received order from government of Puducherry to construct government medical college and hospital for rupees 500 crore. This is marginally positive looking at the large size of NBCC. Realtor Corp of India received work order from Center for Development of Advanced Computing for supplying, installation, integration and commissioning of IT infrastructure in a greenfield data center in New Delhi and Bengaluru. The project is worth 288 crores. This is positive. PNC Infra has been declared L1 bidder in a project of NHAI with a cost of 1260 crores. This is positive. And lastly, Balu Forge Industries has secured a trial order to supply 10,000 sets of powertrain sub-assemblies to a tractor manufacturer in Middle East. And there is scope to increase this order from trial order of 10,000 to 50,000 sets annually going forward in coming years. So overall positive. Thank you.
So that's all from us. And I'll request the commodity team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. So in yesterday's trade after evening data, we saw pullback in commodities, and prices are likely to head up. So one can buy gold around 57, 350 to 300 levels and maintain stop loss of 57 100. In silver too, we expect prices to test 67 500 on higher end. So buying around 66 400 is recommended, and one can maintain a stop loss of 65 700. Crude oil, we expect prices to correct. So selling around 60 is recommended, and one can maintain a stop loss of 61 30. and prices can test 5,900 on lower end. Natural gas prices are consolidating in a range. So overall, from 200 to 220, 225 is the zone. So prices are trading in this range, and we expect prices to test uh, 208 levels and again head up. So one can maintain a stop loss of 195, and overall again we can test 220, 225 on higher end. In metal front, copper, we expect prices to rise. So one can buy with a stop loss of 752 overall, and we expect prices to test 768, 770 on higher end. Aluminum looks attractive, so buying is recommended at 206.50, and one can maintain a stop loss of 204.50. We expect prices to test 210, 212 on higher end. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take forward the call.
Very good morning, everyone. In USD INR, one can create short positions around 82.40 or in the range of 82.40 to 81.55 with a stop loss of 82.70 for the target of 82.20. And in US Euro INR, one can create long positions around 82.50 to 88.50 to 88.40 in the range of this one with a stop loss of 88.22 for the target of 88.80. Thank you.